eating this?
That's where she got the bag of Cheetos. But somebody else is giving out Frito-Lay stuff.
Hey, Mommy, look at that. Hi, look at.
Yeah.
Hi, look at.
Yeah, I see.
Hi, look at. I got strawberry candy.
Wow, look at all that stuff. You did good.
What?
You did really
Look
good.
how she organizes her candy, Daddy.
Look, I found another lollipop.
All right.
I did not teach her that.
See, in a lollipop station.
Lollipop station. Oh.
So, this station. The one station. The one station. That's the bus station. You know what sound else?
Oh, Smarties.
Smarties, yeah, you like those. I see Smarties are getting grouped together.
Mommy, look at that. This one, this goes in that color. Hey, look at this is nothing.
What is that? Oh, that's bottle caps. Those are good. You know what those are? Oh, Sweet Tarts. Those are good too. There's candy in there. That was one of my favorite ones. Bottle cap was my favorite.
Me too.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hang on, is this all candy? Hey, Mom.